Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's been more than a while, honestly. It's been 3 months since I posted the last video, and then my brain went a bit silent. I was not at all coming up with any ideas, and now I am still a bit question mark in my head, but that's fine. I'm gonna chill. Nothing serious, nothing serious. I wanted this channel, my videos to be a bit chill, but the way I started talking about my past and all, it became a bit serious. It's going to be there. Videos are going to be there. I'm not going to delete it or anything. But yeah, we're going to make a switch in this channel, you could say. More on the chiller side. And since basically my hot girl summer is doing nothing and just watching serials in bed, I cannot exactly vlog my day or something. But just in case if I go out or something on a vacation, just in case, which won't happen, which obviously won't happen, but then obviously I'll vlog it. Vlogging is definitely fun and all, but I don't talk at all in my vlogs because I don't actually like to talk outside. My social anxiety is he care people, he care. I don't think I'm ever gonna talk in public though. I don't know, it's very difficult for me. So this is a very simple look, just a lipstick and very simple honestly. Because I don't know, I really wanted this to be what do you say? A very chill video type shit. Yeah, again, background change. This is what I wanted to show you. This is what I wanted as my background. Now it is a bit of a mess, but yeah, I'll talk like this. See, anyways, I don't really care. So yeah, it's been a while. My exams are finally done. I am done with every entrance exam I could ever give. Be chilling now. Be chilling. I don't know. I never really thought I would say this, but I really don't know what to do. Because when I at least had my exams going on, I was studying. And today, for the first time ever, I thought, ki, oh my god, I don't have anything to do. Oh my god, I don't really have to study. Yeah. Yeah, it was just 1 second thought, honestly. Uske baad I was back to scrolling reels. So yeah, very, very, very successful day. Very productive day. It is hot. I don't know what to say besides. It's just hot. Even right now I am talking, it's hot, yaar. I missed talking to you guys. Obviously, I rested a bit. I thought what exactly I wanted to do with my channel and all, what exactly videos I wanted to post and all. And it's just I'm not gonna force myself to, just come up with ideas or just, use chat GPT or something, which I was not doing first also. But I'm going to just talk about whatever random things I could, just not any serious topics until unless I think personally it's very important to talk about. And yeah, otherwise it's just gonna be me talking about whatever the week has been. Even though, yeah, I shoot my videos the start of the week, but okay, we'll talk about the past week. So yeah, my exams got done by I think Saturday. Yeah, I was done Saturday. I was full chilled by Saturday. I went to meet my friends. I went out. So it was so much fun. I missed spending my money in an overpriced cafe. I really missed that. I know it's not very save your money type thing, but I really missed that. To be honest, there is no proper place to talk with your friends besides an overpriced cafe. So you can't really blame me also. कि अरे जाके पैसे उड़ा दिए ना. See, when you don't have something to say back to a person now, you say, yeah. See, I've started doing that recently and I noticed that people get annoyed by that very quickly. And it's really fun to say, you don't really have to think much, Oh my god, yaar. Hair fall. It is hot. I am sweating right now. I am sweating. I think my videos will be a lot less posted now because I'm not going to force myself to make content or something. But I feel like I'll post a lot on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. So follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Yeah. How's life? एक महीने से I don't know. मेरा honestly, it's been okay. It's just studying and crying about the stress, and then crying again about the studying, and crying then again about how behind I am, and then getting mad and disappointed कि why I'm crying and all करके. It's a cycle. Crying, angry, disappointed. No, wait. Angry, crying, disappointed, and then again angry, crying, disappointed, or maybe just happy for that 1 minute or something after crying and being disappointed. Basically that's just me studying. ठीक है. Oh, I'm done. I have nothing to look forward to besides the result. Hot girl summer, very very excited for the hot girl summer. Usually last year I would have at least made things like I want to exercise. I will wake up at 7 a.m. I will do घर पे सस्ता वाला Pilates, and yeah, something like that. Make cold coffee, iced coffee, and all, and then read a book and meditate, something like that. I would have done last year definitely. This year I have nothing I'm gonna do this year. Probably I'll go. I should exercise honestly, but I'll probably do that. Probably I was thinking about going to swimming again. It's been a while. It's been a hell of a while. I honestly feel like I've forgotten to swim also. So hopefully if I can get back to my swim classes, that's honestly chalega. That's fine with me. Actually, last time I went swimming, I was really scared. Like, I could swim, but I was really scared to go like in the, how do I explain this?
बड़ी दुविधा थी.
Okay, so there's this game, I don't know, I just think my dad invented it, but okay, let's move forward. So he used to, toss this coin in the pool, and I have to go like in the ends of the pool to go and look for it and give that back to him. Okay, I know everyone plays this, but I just used to think my dad invented it. Okay, so yeah, last I could not even do that coin wala game. I was so scared. I was so scared to go in the depths of the pool. That was so embarrassing of me. I was an amazing swimmer. I can still be an amazing swimmer if I get that practice again. If I get back to my swimming again. Okay, it's been a while since I swam. Okay. Anyways, I was just scared. It was very embarrassing of me, but okay, yeah. Honestly, this 3 months break, not exactly break I was studying, but break 2 was really refreshing. I could finally organize my thoughts about where my channel is supposed to go, which again will be happening because I change my mind a lot of times. But that's cool. That's cool. I think I used to compare myself a lot because due to my subscribers and following counts and all. But honestly, Insta I gave up. I think I talked about this before also. I gave up on increasing followers on Instagram. I just gave up. But that follow nahi pada to bhi chalega. I don't really care. Says he, it's fine. I'm stressing a lot about this, honestly. I need to chill. We will chill one day. Okay, so this coffee. Okay. At home, I'll drink iced Americano. Okay. Because I don't really like the smell of the actual milk at my home. Okay. Call me privileged, I don't care. I got this reel where she added coconut milk in the coffee. Okay. And I just tried coffee with coconut milk outside, like in cafes or stuff like that. And I was like, what, let's try coconut milk at home. And I did, and I really liked it. Okay. But I was like, what, let's save money. And today I tried it with my actual milk, ghar ka doodh hai na. It was not good. It was not good. I regret doing that. I regret even thinking that, honestly. It was terrible. I don't know how the cafes outside do it, and I don't know how personally I drink it bahar with actual sasta milk. I don't know. But at home, it was something wrong. I don't know. I tried everything. I did extra sugar also. I was thinking ki kal se kam sugar and all. I even tried putting a lot of ice also. Okay. Still did not work. So back to my ice Americanos. Update on my vision board. Some of the things actually got done. Some of those things actually got done. And I'm very surprised. Like, obviously, I worked hard for it. but if one more thing of that gets done now, I'm doing that shit every year. I'm doing that shit every year. If just one more thing of that board, it's very important to me. That's like, I think, the first thing I stuck on that board, and it's very important to me. If that gets done, two things. Okay, but let's just focus on one thing. If that thing gets done, I'm gonna do that thing every year with a lot more things, with a lot more ambitions, with a lot more passion. Yes, I'm gonna do. That's very okay. One thing which I'll talk about is I had stuck a pic from a concert. Okay, like it wasn't clear which concert photo it was, like which artist was performing. I just told myself, "Ki, you know what? I just want to go to this one concert." And with my own pocket money. Okay. And doesn't matter which concert it is, because last year I went to the K-Town Festival and I had a lot of fun. So this year I was like, you know what? It doesn't matter which artist it is. Yes. So I'm gonna go anyways. And the next thing I know, I went to the Arjit Singh concert. Platinum Rose, people. Free ticket. Platinum Rose. It was actually so fun. Okay. It was really nice. I had a lot of fun. So basically, keep being Delulu people, but don't be really obsessed with it. Then it won't get done. So just think once you want this, and then just never think about it. It's going to happen one way or another, I think. Okay, this is just my agenda, because once I was really obsessed about this one thing I really wanted, and that obviously didn't happen, because you have to be nonchalant about it in life sometimes. Just about that thing, otherwise be passionate about everything in life. I sound like those English teachers in Catholic schools. I was in Catholic school, okay? So we had this very, very strict English teacher. She used to talk like this. I was always scared in school, but teachers are another breed, yeah. I'm still scared of those teachers. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget. And follow me on my Instagram, which is linked below. And I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you like this video. Let me know in the comments. Bye.